Hello, I'm John Hummel, Senior Technical Writer for Wallaroo, and welcome to Wallaroo Community. If you're ready to use the fastest, most efficient way to deploy ML models and get results, then here's how to get your free Wallaroo Community license. Step 1. Go to portal.wallaroo.community. Enjoy the pretty graphics, then enter your information to register for your free Wallaroo Community account. Your Wallaroo Community license is tied to this email account, so make sure it's the right one. Step 2. Download your Wallaroo Community license and store it in a safe place. You'll also receive an email with a link to your community license if you need to download it in the future. Step 3. Install Wallaroo Community in your Kubernetes environment and provide it with your Wallaroo Community license file. Need help setting up your Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, or Google Cloud Platform Kubernetes environment and installing Wallaroo Community? Check out our documentation site at docs.wallaroo.ai or email us at community@wallaroo.ai if you need any additional support. Thank you for being part of the Wallaroo community.